Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into more new and trending ecosystem quests on Layer 3. Today, we're going through Dawn, Blast, Linea, and Redstone. So some pretty simple ones, just some transactions on each one of these networks. A little overview of what Dawn Network and Redstone is. So before we actually get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Layer 3 is sure giving out the rewards. I know the market seems to be in a slump and the L3 token is down quite substantially, but this is just, the market behavior. Initial coin that drops or launches usually has a pretty significant drop after it launches. So it's typically how it goes. A lot of people that aren't happy with their airdrops just yeet it at the beginning, and we've seen that with many tokens in the past. So just hold on. I got mine staked, so I can't do anything about it. But if you're in a position to capitalize off this market dip, dollar cost average, whatever you need to do, I think L3 is going to be a good one to hold through the bull run. At least have a small bag of it. But if you ever need any help with any of these quests or campaigns, please jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. We have a lot of amazing people in the community that can help answer pretty much any question you may have. If not, they can point you in the right direction. And we are always trying to help get people the most alpha, the latest alpha. So jump in there. We have a lot going on. And with that, let's dive in. And thank you to everyone who's in the Discord, who's new, and I appreciate all of you. So let's get into it. So introducing Dawn, transforming the internet from a provider-owned model to a consumer-owned model. So Dawn is a decentralized broadband network that enables households to provide their own internet through at-home antenna infrastructure and sell excess internet capacity to the Dawn network. So download Dawn Validator extension to participate in the Dawn network. You can run this. I would suggest if you have a different computer, or maybe run this on a different browser. But yeah, you can add that if you want to participate. I'll do a deeper dive into the Dawn network, but you can go ahead and skip that if you'd like and wait for me to do a separate video on the Dawn network. So pretty cool to Web3 is just so versatile. You can basically take any product in Web2 and make it have these reward mechanisms built into it, where normal everyday people like you and me can use these products to basically help support the network, and we earn rewards. So we basically are part owner of it. So the next one, transact on Blast. And also we're going to transact on Linea as well. So what I would do is I would send some tokens. So go to the Blast network. I have a little bit of ETH. I'm just going to send some USDB, and I'm going to send that to my other wallet. Oh, whoops. I meant to send that to, not that. I meant to send it to here. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing on the Linea network. We will select Linea, and we will just send this to, or you can do a token swap. How about we'll do that? We'll swap Linea. We'll just do USDC. So there you go. This will give us a transaction on the Linea network, and it's nice to do it in Rabby because it's very quick. You don't have to go to another dApp. You don't have to connect your wallet anywhere. It does it all in the wallet for you. Safer. So now we'll verify, and then we'll verify this, and then you can mint your cubes. We'll mint ours later. And now Redstone. Discover Redstone, a chain built for on-chain games and autonomous world. So Redstone is an optimistic roll-up leveraging the OP stack, offering a more cost-effective Ethereum experience by using Plasma for data availability. Okay, Base is built using the OP stack. Just a FYI. So Redstone minimizes cost by posting only transaction data hashes on Ethereum L1 with full data stored off-chain via alternative providers. So bridge to Redstone, bridge any amount of Ethereum from OP mainnet to Redstone via a cross. And I think I've done this before, but you can go ahead and skip if you don't want to bridge. If you want to get in there, at least have, I think I did that on my previous wallet. So in this wallet, I don't think so, but enter any amount. We're here in the across bridge or on the Optimism network. You can just send a little bit. So we'll send like 30 cents, I think, 25 cents to Redstone and confirm. And it's very small. Yeah, 26 cents, 2 cents in gas. I'm not going to send it, but if you want to bridge over, that's how you do it. And bada bing, bada boom, there we go. So I will save the rest of these for a different later video. And yeah, pretty simple ones, quick and easy for you to get through. But if you ever do need help with any of these quests or campaigns, or if you have any video recommendations or project recommendations, please jump in the Discord. Link is down below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.